Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we are going to see how to download Windows Server operating system, and in further videos we'll see how to create virtual machine using Oracle VirtualBox, Windows Server and Active Directory configurations. Thankfully, Microsoft offers a free trial version for Windows Server 2019. Open your browser and type download Windows Server 2019. You will see the first link, try Windows Server 2019 on Microsoft Evolution Center. Just click on it. Once the page loads, you will see a couple of options. As I mentioned earlier, we need it for VirtualBox, so we are going with ISO option. Now you will be prompted to enter various personal information such as your email address and all other required informations. Fill these details and click on continue. Let me pause my video for a while. I'm going to speed up this video. I'll enter my details quickly. Here we have to select language. I'm selecting English here and click on download. You need to wait for the download to finish. Make sure you know where you are downloading the file so you can access it later. It's not named simply Windows Server or Windows Server 2019, so it's important that you make note of this name so you can find it later. That's it for this video. Great job. I'll see you in the next one.